So I'm not gonna be surfing today. I actually sprained my knee about 5 weeks ago, but we got some surfers behind us back there that are gonna be in the wave pool and doing some moves. And so let's see if we get some footage. All right, you guys, doing the royal flush now. I'm gonna start off with the baby one probably. It's pretty cool up here. Woo! Woo!
I'm sending this though. You ready? Tell me when you're ready. Count us down. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ate it really bad. Dropped the GoPro. Thankfully, some guys had some fins, some stuff, able to go in the water, recover it, thankfully, but that hurt. Waco, Texas, and right now we're just chilling on the lazy river. Over there, as you can see, we got the nice royal flush jumps and everything. And but right now we're just gonna be chilling, having a fun time, checking out the GoPro Fusion first to start off. And yeah, so we're just gonna chill on this lazy river and have a fun time. So let's go. Well, kind of floating already, but you know. You know, if you kick your feet like this, it speeds up the lazy river a little bit. I kind of wish it was a little faster, to be honest, though. I know they call it a lazy river, but I almost wish it was a little quicker. But, and also, too, the sky is looking pretty dark. I hear some thunder in the background and everything, so I almost want to get through it a little quicker. Just that way I could go on that royal flush and everything, hit up those water slides. That way we don't have to wait. And, yeah, keep going. Going under the bridge. Slowly but surely. Almost be better if this is like a little bit of waterfall right here. Refresh a little bit. Right? Forgot two more things, you guys. So one is you're able to bring your coolers and put whatever in it, which is pretty awesome. And the other fact too is you get to bring your own little barbecue, little grill, and everything like that. And so you just gotta be responsible. And yeah, so two other really cool things about the BRS cable park. Peace.